as a bagong Coronadal Queen, how do you define leadership? And what qualities do you believe are essential for effective leadership?
I believe that as an empowered bagong Coronadalenya Queen is that I redefine leadership is that it begins with a heart for service and a mindset on a positive change. As a proud Coronadalenya and a woman standing in front of you, I grew up in a city, in Coronadal City, and I have faced challenges and I have conquered challenges. It is where I also found my purpose and shaped myself to be the woman that I am today. And so I am standing in front of you with my core purpose, and that is my advocacy. Through my advocacy, it is for sustainable tourism because it is also evident in the green spaces and eco-friendly initiatives of our LGU and the 10-point agenda of our beloved city mayor Ojena that through Barangay Empowerment Program, we were able to empower every barangays to live in a sustainable environment. And with this, I envision Coronadal City as a model of sustainability because I believe that as a woman, I also embody leadership through my purpose, my influence, and my core values. And standing in front of you is a proud Coronadalenya that I can truly say, today is a bagong Coronadal, and bagong Coronadal symbolizes a city that is progressive, vibrant, and empowering. Thank you.